for belonging, right? Isn't it? Yes. Great. So how many of you feel valued as part of Go Nature family? All of us. Wow, I'm glad to hear that. But I could hear only Jyoti ma'am's voice. But isn't that feels great, after what Swadhina just shared? Yes. Thank you, Swadhina, for sharing the wonderful journey and the story, yes. Thank you, Tanu, for a great introduction. Feels nice. So, respected Vishal sir, angel coaches, and my dear Go Nature family. Here's Subheksha to all from my side. I'm Priyanka Kumaris, a diamond member of Go Nature. I work as a BFSI editor for an AI content generation company called Pepper Content. So we had a nature walk in the morning, right? Wasn't that great? The temple visit, the fort and everything. But how about another nature walk? Are you all ready as I share my story? Yes. Great. So let's start by plucking some holy tulsi leaves, crush some ginger, boil some peppercorn and turmeric. Does it sound like a Vishal sir class? Yes. So being a part of Go Nature has helped me live a healthy life and encouraged me to spread awareness and heal my patients as well. So talking of walks, destinations and journeys, isn't it an ongoing process? Of late, मुझे भी कुछ लोग मिले और एक कारवां बन गया है. I remember attending my first naturopathy webinar on 11 January 2023. Vishal sir, first few minutes that you spoke and your words struck me deeply. And I asked myself, how can I contribute towards this? How can I spread this knowledge? Thank you, sir, for inspiring me. You actually turned me into a naturopath in my 40s when I was unaware if I could still heal people suffering from various diseases. Dear folks, dear family, allow me to do some reverse walking now. Isn't good for your health? I'm sure all of you practice it. Do you all? Yes. Great. Keep enjoying the benefits. And now let me welcome you to Ranchi, the land of Bhagwan Birsa Munda, the capital of Jharkhand. The great freedom fighter Birsa Munda, that's how Ranchi is known for. Born in this beautiful city of waterfalls, I benefited from natural ways of living life since my childhood. And now the learnings from diamond classes, they strengthen my belief that I can bring desired results in many people's lives. They say nature and naturopathy go hand in hand. Since a young age, I spent my weekends with my father in Yogada Ashram founded by Yoganand Paramhans, the revered guru. Call it Kriya Yoga or the library at the ashram, they shaped my ways of life. Even today, when I open the book Autobiography of a Yogi by Yoganand Paramhans, I get answers to life's many issues. This book, they say, when you are ready, your guru will appear to guide you. Thank you, Vishal sir, for finding me last year. Thank you all the angel coaches for finding me in P.A.U.S.E 2024. Just surrender and trust the process. Isn't that helping all of us? Yes. Great. Now let's stop for a while at my school, DAV Ranchi, the same school where the famous cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni also studied, and he was my senior. But for my career, unlike him, I chose medicine. But losing my father to chronic kidney disease, being unaware that naturopathy could reverse such health conditions very easily, I had to switch to mass communications. I studied at St. Xavier's College, Ranchi. I went to IIMC in New Delhi. Then I came to IIM Lucknow, and I worked as a journalist for many years. But despite this, beautiful career path, healing was, always calling me. And then one day, the Diamond membership came, and it helped me take all the necessary steps towards this calling of mine. Thank you, sir, for making the nation of nutritionists. From the eastern part of India now to Delhi. And वो कहते हैं ना, दिल्ली है दिल वालों की. Isn't it? How many people from Delhi here? Wow! लेकिन जिसे मैंने दिल दिया, उसका साथ 5 मई को छूट गया. Yes, on 5th May this year, Other journey, सबको जाना होता है. A man who came to my life to treat me as his queen for all the years we dated and we remained married. A strong man, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. He built a huge kingdom of strength, power, and love for me. Vishal sir, after attending your high workshop and the first webinar, he thanked God and he said, this man is in the right profession. The world is saved from another successful cricketer endorsing another MRP product. That was his words. A perfectly healthy person can pass away peacefully on a sunny Sunday afternoon. Doesn't this sound surprising? Or as Jana ma'am rightly says, the divine is gathering many like Amit for a higher purpose. My husband Amit was one of them. Thank you ma'am for your comforting words. While no one can replace you Amit, I'll carry on with rest. I know you're watching. The sudden passing of a healthy husband of mine makes me reflect on those who rely on medicines every day to live their life. As a naturopath, I feel a strong responsibility to promote healthy living, the Go Nature way. Yes, the Go Nature way is important. Don't you all find the difference? I mean, we have dietitians around our lives everywhere, but the Go Nature makes the difference. The purpose is clear now in life to help people reverse their health issues and make them live a healthy life. After my husband's sudden death, life gave some more challenges in the form of some unfinished karmas with my in-laws. I did nothing. Ask why? Because I surrendered to him, the Almighty, and he took charge. And things have gradually improved. Even if these are all product Jyoti ma'am, I will not say to God, as you rightly guided me, why me, but try me more. Thank you ma'am, means a lot. Thank you Bipsha ma'am, I know you're not here, you have better responsibilities to take care of. But your invaluable support and guidance during all these 7 months of my life, and of course the diet plans that I prepare, I feel so much a part of Go Nature. It's invaluable. Words cannot really define these things. These tough times could have easily broken me, but the support of my community, the Go Nature community, has kept me achieve my mission. While some things definitely got delayed, they never derailed my vision. I have learned that life's challenges always strengthen your resolve. Don't they? When there are tough times, we know how to walk our paths, right? नयन मेरे आंसू जो लिए हैं आज, ये राहों के दिए हैं, सूरज देख रुक गया है, मेरे आगे झुक गया है, जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले है अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाती हैं दिन सारे इंतज़ार के, and there's no stopping. For me, yes, this was made possible because of the community, all the wonderful souls who came to my life as friends after joining the Diamond membership. Vishal sir, you rightly say your network is your net worth. Sir, I will always remember the moment you called after my husband's passing. Sir, you assured me that we would work together to keep moving forward. I'm so deeply grateful, sir. Now, I invite all of you to keep walking with me. Spread the word about healthy living, the needs, the processes, and keep improving the lives around us. And this is possible only by strengthening the power of community, the Go Nature community. Of easy wins and downy flakes, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, These words from my favorite poet, Robert Frost, encourages me to keep achieving my goals. Thank you all for being a patient audience. Special thanks to the Magic crew for making this session run smoothly. Thank you so much.
Everybody please So everybody, that was wonderful, right?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So we can come in. Louder. Amazing. So you are not alone. The entire family is with you, and you are a true example of courage, strength, and resilience, Priyanka. Right? It's a long way to go. Long way to go. Yes, definitely we make the world better together. Thank you so much.
That's right.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So it was me, now me, right? It's my session now?